Introduction to resistance bands.
Resistance bands are a versatile tool for building strength and flexibility, especially for adults in their 40s and 50s. With proper technique, they offer a low-impact way to exercise at home or in the gym. When used safely, resistance bands help maintain muscle tone, support healthy joints, and can be adjusted to suit different fitness levels and goals.
Choosing the right resistance band.
Select a band with appropriate resistance, not too light or too challenging. Color coding often indicates resistance level, with lighter colors being easier. Test the band by performing a few repetitions. You should feel mild to moderate effort, but still maintain good control. Inspect bands for any signs of wear or tears to avoid snapping during exercises.
Core principles for safe band use.
Start each exercise with proper posture. Stand tall with shoulders back and engage your core. Anchor the band securely to prevent slippage. Keep movements controlled and avoid jerking or overstretching the band. Always breathe out during exertion and in during the release. Warming up before exercise and cooling down after helps reduce injury risk.
Step-by-step, seated row for back strength.
Sit tall with legs extended, ankles together, and loop the band around your feet. Hold the ends, keep your back straight, and pull the band towards your waist, squeezing your shoulder blades together. Pause, then slowly return to start. Begin with 8 to 12 repetitions. This exercise targets the upper back and helps improve posture, which is vital as we age.
Step-by-step standing chest press.
Anchor the band behind you at chest height and hold an end in each hand. Step forward with one foot, elbows bent. Press your hands straight ahead, keeping wrists neutral. Slowly return to starting position. This controlled motion works your chest and shoulders, helping maintain upper body strength. Aim for 8 to 12 repetitions using a resistance you can handle without strain.
Monitoring progress and staying safe.
Increase resistance or repetitions gradually as you grow stronger. Listen to your body. If you feel pain or discomfort, stop and check your form. Regularly inspect your equipment for safety. Pairing resistance band routines with a balanced lifestyle and consulting a healthcare professional if you have underlying conditions will help you get the most from your workouts.